Hello friends, today we are going to create a project in code.org using AppLab. In the app, we will have the first screen. In that there will be a button in which when we click it, the second screen appears. The screen changes basically. So let's start. For starting, click on the create button on the top and then we go to AppLab. Then it will redirect you to a screen which looks like this. It has a screen, it has the toolbox, it has the workspace. So you know the basics, right? This one is the area where our commands execute, where our games or apps are played. And this is the toolbox where if you find all the codes, and this is the workspace where we code for our game or app. So the first step of coding is define the purpose of your app, what it's going to do. Second is design, that you have to design the app, how it looks like. The third step is coding the app, like you code what will happen in the app. Fourth is checking the app if it works properly. So the first step is define the purpose, which is we click the button on the first screen and the screen changes to screen 2. Second step is go to the design one and design your app. So for designing, you can even change the background color or you can set the theme for your screen. So let me go to background color and let me choose it as green. So this is the you can see a bright green color on your screens. So then we need a button which actually when clicked changes the screen. So here you can see an option of button. Click on it and drag it to the bottom. Place it anywhere you like. It's for your convenience. So shall we remain the text as button? Because if a person is actually seeing this app, so he doesn't know what the button will do. So let's rename it to change screen. And you can even change the properties of this button. So you can change the height, you can change the width, you can change the position, and you can even change the text color, which is the font color, this change screen which I have written that, and background color of the button. So let me make it to red. Yes. So then we need we can even write this label. Label means it's something you write in this that actually explains the app or does something, or even the name of the app. So let me write the name of the app, that is change screen changer app. Let me make it a little bit here. Yes, and then now we need to change the font size. So when you scroll down, you see a font size option. You can increase the font size as you wish. So this is what I have done. We can even change the font color of this. That's the text color. Blue. Okay. So now we click on this change screen option. So this ID means ID does not change the text. It actually ID is used in these texts. See, everywhere ID, because ID means the name of this what we say thing. It's the string. So it actually, if you just keep it like that, then it might be confusing if you have multiple buttons in your app. So let's name this to change underscore screen. Remember, you cannot use the space option in this ID because it's a string and it can never be in spaces. So now we want our screen to change when you click on this. So our designing is not done yet. So we need to add a new screen. Click on this and you can see a new screen option. It creates a new screen. And the second method is you can drag the screen option here in the design toolbox here like this, and a new screen will be added. So now we can change the background color of this screen to make it look attractive. So second option, background color, and select this white option. Then I choose yellow color is fine. Yes. So we have the yellow color here. Now we can drag a label because we can't just keep the screen like that. It looks so bad. So let's make it to welcome to screen 2. For example, if I write this, you can write anything you like. So let me change the font size of this. Okay, so you can see the welcome to screen 2 is not visible because we have made the font size too much big. So you can do how much ever big. So 2 is not visible because its width is not that much. So instead of changing the width, we can even change the height. So when we change the height, we can see the 2 here. Yes. So as you know, we can change the text color. So if you scroll down a little bit, you can see the text color. You can select it. I think blue is fine. Yes. A little more darker. Yes. So we made this, and now with that, our app is still not done. The third step is coding the app. So go to the first option, that is code. So what we want basically is that if someone clicks this button, it should basically go to screen 2, which shows a welcome greeting. So we have this, and we can even check the ID, that is here, ID change underscore SC. Screen is not totally visible because it's too small. So I change screen, and now we need to find a code that if we click it, it goes to another screen. So you need to be on the UI controls and drag the first code here. This is the on event blocks. If you have seen my previous videos, I have explained event nicely. So event means a particular action that happens if you do something, typing, clicking, or anything. So here ID, I had explained you about ID. This is the ID change screen. So let's click on this and take this change screen option. So now when it clicks, this option should be on click. So when this button is clicked, change to screen 2. So we need to find a code that tells us that actually goes to another screen, that redirects someone to another screen. So we scroll down completely on the UI controls, and we can see the third last option, that is set screen. So click it and drag it inside the on event block. And now this is the ID of the screens. This screen's ID is screen 2. So let's change it to, let's click on the arrow and change it to screen 2. So our coding is also done, but still the last step remains. Last but not the least, we need to check our app by running it. So let's start. Click on the run button at the bottom of this mobile type screen, and we come to this beautiful screen. We click on this button and we get redirected to screen 2. So our app is over, and let's rename this app to Screen Changer App, and then click on the save button. If you have logged into code.org, you can easily see your projects in one place. I have explained it in my previous videos also, in which I have done Sprite Lab. So on this, to check your projects, you have this login name, and click on this and you have my projects. If you click on it, you can see all your projects in one place. See, these are my projects. So we are done with App Lab today, and if you like my channel, please subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please like, share and comment on this video. Thank you.